supposed to marry her.
Aaron Plumber, will you marry me?
You supposed to be proposing my damn baby.
You better take this. Come on, bro. I told you we ain't doing that. I don't want nobody touching me. Dead homies, I told you. I don't want nobody touching me. I told you all that. Dead homies, bro. Stop playing with me, man.
I didn't know he was doing that.
Stop playing with me, bro. I had the homies come tear this. I didn't want nobody touching me, bro. Oh, God.
On my mama life, I didn't know he was going to do that.
Bro,
I didn't know he was going to do that.
I did not want nobody touching me, bro.